Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play the rhythm guitar chord progression to the chords of G major and E minor. We'll be going back and forth with a unique strumming pattern as well. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found when new videos have been uploaded. So let's get started. Okay, again, the chords I'll be using for this chord progression are G major and E minor. We'll be strumming all strings on both chords, G major and E minor. Okay, the time signature for this song is 4/4. There's 4 beats per measure. It'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, the strumming pattern that I'll be using for this chord progression is a little bit different from my other previous videos. I'll be applying some palm muting between some of the strumming patterns. And to palm mute, you just want to just slightly rest your palm, this portion of your hand, to the strings, just to kind of mute the strings. For example, so the strumming pattern that I'm going to be using for this is down, up, palm, down, up, palm, down, up, palm, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, palm, down, up, palm, down, up, palm, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, palm, down, up, palm, down, up, palm, down, up, down, up, down, up. So if we look at the chord progression, I'll play through it one time pretty slow. Okay, if you feel comfortable playing with this strumming pattern, then let's play along with guitar jam track number 1A. Jam track number 1A. Here we go. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed that. Feel free to practice along with jam track number 1A as many times and just have a great time jamming to that chord progression. Okay, I encourage you to check out my playlist for other jam tracks and other chord progression videos that's available for you to jam along with or practice along with as well. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me the thumbs up. I'd appreciate that very much. And subscribe to my channel if you're not a current subscriber. I'd appreciate that. And I enjoy putting out these video lessons and these simple, guitar lessons, and hopefully you're enjoying these as we learn together. So have a great day. God bless you.